Okay, part three. This is some of the important things they're not covering on Times Square or about Times Square. Hear me out. This is very important. You want to watch my previous part on my channels because you don't want to miss out. Okay, very important. This is something about Times Square, New York. I'm gonna be making other videos, but because I'm got a little cold, so I'm making this as a quick thing because there's a lot of fake positivity videos out there. Okay, I don't like that. There's a lot of it's time for us to make the real negativity stuff about Times Square. I mean, yeah, the Times Square is a great place. I get it, but there's also a lot of shady things that can mess up a lot of things for you and can also ruined a lot of your personal stuff, which I made the videos previously in part 1 and part 2. You want to save this. There's one thing I forgot to mention, which is very important regarding the corrupt police and regarding the corrupt security guard. There's also another thing you're gonna have to watch out is when you try to have an argument with somebody, or if somebody try to harass you and you try to be like, yo, why did you do that, right? The security, listen to this I forgot to say, the security gonna come up to the bad guy because you're new. You will come up to the bad guy and he gonna go, is it bothering you? Like that. They had this thing, the security, the Times Square security, the Times Square Alliance security go, is it bothering you? Is he harassing you? Like that. Go to the new people to do that. And meanwhile, the Times Square, the entire security are educated, are already discussing about you that, yo, we got a new one, and they actually follows you around from far away. So if they see you fighting with somebody or arguing with somebody, they're gonna pick the enemy side who they've been knowing for months and months, which is almost like picking sides. That's a very messed up thing. So if you have an innocent kid or innocent son, or if you're an innocent person, even if you're somebody who barely speak English, if you're a law student, good student, you know the law, like, hey, I know that I'm a good person, I always try to make sure do the right thing, and you see that somebody from the street try to mess with you, and the securities go, oh, is it bothering you, and he will lie, say, yeah, he's harassing me, and then he'll try to call, and then the security will try to call the police on you. This is something that did that in my case a lot when I first started over there. So that's one thing I forgot to say. And there's a second thing I forgot to say is also they will do that to the with the girls too. So the girls, if you try to talk to the girls to, like, let's say sell your product, they'll try to start coming in the middle to try to cut you off, or to cut your sales, or to try to boycott you at the middle. Okay, so this is something also very important to know. Very messed up. They will try to piss off on you. Times Square Alliance does, if they do have an account with the police or NYPD police department, then they're definitely abusing that dispatch, because they're constantly calling police on whoever they want to. They've been doing this for many time, and their higher ups do not care. Even the entire management is not trusted. So if you're experiencing anything with them, and you're the very extra logical, and if you're a very good investigator and stuff, and you're good at catching this thing, I'm 100% with you. Okay, so you're not the one. And just so you know, this other vendor, don't even share your stuff with these other vendors. They don't know anything about the security, and they'll say, okay, amigo, you walk this way, they walk this way, like that. They don't even care anything. Like, I have learned so much in such a fast pace